Good evening everyone. This is Sahithi of 8G1 studying at Coding Academy. Today I am here to explain your Python concept, that is variables.
What is a variable? Variable is like a container which stores the values in it. It is also called as identifier. So here the variable name is x and it stores a value 5. And in the next case there is a box which works like a variable and stores a value that is 42. And there are some rules to declare a variable name. Those are, it should not start with numerical values, and the variable's name can be the combination of alphabet, underscore and numerical values. And the variable name can start with underscores and alphabet, and it should not include special characters and white spaces, and the variable name should not be a keyword. And we can reassign the variable like let's take two situations. So the first one, a is equals to 10 and the second one, a is equals to 20. So if we give like this, we will have a confusion that what is the actual value of a. So here we will know that there is a the value will reassign, and the a is equals to 10 will be removed and 20 will replace the 10. That means we can understand that the answer is a is equals to 20. So this is a reassignment of variables. And here are some real life examples of variables concept. So the first one is, there is a basket and inside some apples. So here the basket is a variable and apples in it are value. And here we can see a first aid box where the box is a variable and the things in it are value. And in the third picture we can see a box and some things in it, so those things are a value and the box is variable. And in this fourth picture there is a pencil stand where the pencils in it are value and the stand is a variable. And in this situation we can see a bag which has few books in it. So here the bag is a variable and the books in it are value. And we can declare multi-word declaration in the variable's name, and but we have to follow these types. So there are three types of multi-word declaration. Those are snake case, Pascal case and camel case. I hope you all understand.